Peter. How I wish I were Saint John to bring this salutation in the very early dawn. The dawn is now appearing. The rays of the sun break through. Arise early this bright morning as we sing happy birthday to you. With a bouquet of carnations, we have come to sing our song and make your day full of color, so that you may carry on. We wish you happy birthday today and the years to come. God bless you now and forever. May your dreams come true, dear one. We are here to greet you on your natal day. We are here to sing you a birthday round. It's a happy birthday. We are happy too. Now let's sing with all our hearts because we love you so. It is a birthday round the lay, all lay, happy holiday. It is a happy birthday round the lay, all lay. It is a happy holiday. It is a happy birthday round the lay, all lay. It is a happy round the lay, all lay, happy holiday. It is a happy birthday round the lay, all lay. It is a happy day. It is a happy holiday, and all the world sings and all the world shouts happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Lord, God bless you! May the Lord God bless you! May the Lord God, may the Lord God.
Sunod na mo.
May the
Kaya mo mainit din eh.
God bless you.
Happy birthday!
Ayun na po, bulol na. Sa'yo kumakayo?
Kamatay na kag-una sa'yo.
Ha?
Ay, kamatay na sa'yo.
Oh, meet a wish.
I wish that I have always a good health.
Very good.
Iparo na mo. Amo aga mo yung una palo. Ano mo yung una palo mo
Ang
tem?
hindi ka.
Ang mga silingan, sila diyan. Alam mo, maglipay-lipay.
Oh, naiingit. Nga lang mas jik-jik nga. Ito nga.